Hey guys, it's Preston Vanderbilt from YouTube, and I'm back with my live day 15 trading results. Today I had two separate trading sessions. I'm going to merge all into one video for you guys today, and as you can and will see, the results for my investments today were just absolutely insane. Today has been my largest profiting day with binary options and investing in journal, and I couldn't be happier. Now, to make this known, I have around $45,000 spread out between a number of other separate brokers, not including my 10 trade broker account, which is why I went with such a large investment amounts today, as you can and will see. Today I placed a total of 15 investments, but to be honest, if the broker would have allowed me to place larger trade amounts, then the total number of investments that I would have placed would have only been 3. Either way, as you can and will see though, all of my investments ended in the money, giving me a total profit today of $15,340. Now, when I was analyzing the markets prior to investing, I noticed that the Euro USD was extremely flat, indicating to me that neither the buyers nor sellers were able to establish control over this low vitality currency pair. With that being said, I went ahead and chose another low vitality currency pair to analyze, which resulted in me investing with the USD CAD. Other low vitality currency pairs that you guys could look into analyzing as well would be the NZD USD and the USD Swiss. Now, the reason why I prefer to invest with low vitality currency pairs, for those of you wondering, would be because low vitality currency pairs are less prone to change directions due to minor fluctuations in the market. If you see an investment has high vitality opposed to low vitality, the likelihood of that asset can change directions is much higher, making the future price direction of that asset harder to predict. Anyway, moving forward, as you saw, my first two 60-second investments ended in the money, and my main reason for placing those investments would be because when I switched the time frame of my charting solution on the USD CAD to 1 minute, I noticed the strong formation of a gravestone doji candlestick, which if you guys happen to watch my 4 video series regarding common Japanese candlestick formations, you more likely than not already know that this formation often results in a strong bullish reversal, which is why I placed my 2 call trades. Moving forward, now the reasoning behind my 3 $1,500 put investments resulted in a strong bearish reversal signal generated by my trading software. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I would have only placed 1 trade here, but with me using larger investments amounts, I had to place more investments to get my desired return rates. Anyway, as you can and will see though, all 3 of those options expired in the money, giving me a total profit of $3,790 in my first trading session. $325 of it came from my 2 60-second call investments, and $3,465 of it came from my 3 $1,500 put investments. Moving forward, as you can and will see though, for my next 10 investments amount, which actually would have only been 1 investment if I was allowed larger investments amount, placed a cumulative investment amount of $15,000, which is what I wanted to do since I already knew I had a lot of money spread out between numerous other brokers, not to mention I had already generated a profit of a little over $4,000 today from Cherry Trade's I Follow feature trading alone, on top of my almost profit of $3,800 from earlier today. So I decided that I wanted to go big and see if I couldn't beat my all-time investment in high, and as you can and will see, I did. The reasoning behind my investment here would be the strong formation of a resistance level while using price action trading strategy. Now, for those of you familiar with price action trading strategy, you're more than likely familiar with resistance and support levels. Well, one thing I have noticed when price fails to surpass a previously developed resistance level in a mostly neutral trend, that the occurrence of a strong bearish reversal is extremely likely. As you can see, it came true as well in this case, since all of my investments landed in the money by 50 pips or more, which not only resulted in an absolutely huge binary options profit, but it also would have resulted in a rather large forex trading profit as well. Now, for those of you who are curious about the total profit that I generated from my $15,000 investments, it resulted in a total profit of $11,550 on top of my other $3,790 profits from earlier today in my first session, giving me a total ending profit today of $15,340. Anyway guys, this pretty much wraps up my video for today regarding my live day 15 investments. As always, and as most of you already know, that if you have any questions regarding anything related to online investing and binary options, please feel free to contact me at any time. All of my contact information is in the description box below. Also, for a chance to win $1,000, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and for a chance to get $150 back in commission refunds with the regulated binary options broker, be sure to visit the description box below. To date, over $83,000 in commission refunds have been given back that otherwise would have been kept by online affiliates, marketers, and trading brokers. As always guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come.